Hi, in this video we'll learn how to find the equation of a line that has a slope of -1/2 and passes through the point -4, -2. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the slope-intercept form of our equation, which is y equals mx plus b. So let's write that down. Now remember that m is the slope. M represents the slope of my equation and b represents the y-intercept. To write the equation of a line, we only need two things. We need to find the slope and we need to find the y-intercept. If we can get the slope and y-intercept, we'll be able to write the equation of a line. Now the slope is given to me, which is -1/2. So I'm going to plug in the value of slope in this formula. So y equals, in place of I'm going to plug in -1/2 x plus, what is my b? I don't know the value of b. The only piece of information I have is this line passes through the point -4, -2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this point to find the value of b. See, this point is on the line, right? -4, -2. And remember that all the ordered pairs can be written as x, y, right? If this point is on the line, then it should satisfy the equation of my line. And it should make my equation true. So if I plug in x equals -4 and y equals -2 in my equation, I would be able to find out the value of b. So let's do that. I'm going to plug in y equals -2, so y is equal to -2. And then I have -1/2. In place of x, I'm going to plug in -4. So let's plug in -4. I'm going to put that inside the parentheses since I have a negative sign in it. Okay, and then plus, and we're going to solve this equation for b. Right, now let's simplify this. -2 is equal to, okay, -1 times -4 is going to be +4, and +4 divided by 2 is going to be 2. So I got 2 here plus b. Now to isolate b, to get b by itself, we just need to get rid of this 2. So to eliminate 2, I'll subtract 2 from both sides of my equation. So you can see that -2 minus 2 is going to be -4. And this is equal to 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. And 0 plus b will be b. So I got -4 equals b, or b equals -4. Now I already have the value of slope, which is -1/2. And I got the value of my y-intercept, which is -4. I'm going to plug this value back into my equation and write the equation of the line, right? So I'll write my slope-intercept form of the equation y equals mx plus b. Now remember that we need the x and y for writing the equation, so we're not going to do anything to it. We're only going to plug in the value of m and b into this equation. So m is -1/2, okay? And then I need my x, and then I have the plus sign in my formula, and then my y-intercept, my b is -4, so I have to be careful. I'm going to put this inside the parentheses, okay? So now here y equals -1/2 x, and then positive times negative is going to be negative, and then I have 4. So the equation of my line is going to be y equals -1/2 x minus 4. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel and want to see more videos on other math topics, be sure to subscribe down below and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.